Okay.
So we're just making up some buttonholes ready for tomorrow's weddings, or wedding I should say, and I've just already, so this is a sweet avalanche rose. We've posted it, so by posting it we put a piece of wire all the way through the middle of the head, through the stem, and twist it, which keeps the head and the stem attached and together. Then we secure all the little ilex of the little roses by creating a little loop, which you probably won't be able to see, but we create a little loop of wire, push them through, and that pins the rose in place so that the head won't move, but it also keeps the little green in place and keeps the rose looking intact and properly bound. Then we're going to put a couple of ivy leaves with it, so we're just dressing it with ivy. So these have been wired, so they're wired so that we can then manipulate the top of the head to create a position, and these are going to be sprayed with a bit of leaf shine, which just gives a nice glossy sort of finish to it. So the components that we have our rose, we have our little leaf. We're going to put a little bit of olive with this because the bride is Italian. So 2 little pieces of olive foliage, and then we're going to put a little bit of a delphinium, which we're just going to take. So a little cluster of delphinium, which again we're going to wire. So we just take a wire, thread the wire up and through. We're then legging the delphinium by wrapping the wire around. This just gives it a bit more support. And then we put it together. We're placing the components together. Now, I like to then use the wire to secure. Then tape. So this is a natural stem text tape which works on the heat of your hand and allows the glue. We then bind the stems. So this keeps the moisture into the flowers and keeps them looking fabulous all day long. We've gone with a natural brown because we're going with a sort of an olive woody look. Position the ivy leaves, and there we go. If I were wearing a jacket, you'd see how proper it were.
Just divine.